gosh, look at the sky. The rug's going...
No, grab him.
He's riding it.
Buddy, hang on, little dude.
He's actually enjoying it.
Oh, hold on, dogs, get inside. Milo, your leash, whoa. Oh, no, he stuck the landing. You okay, buddy?
Oh, buddy, that's not much of a hiding.
Oh, no, what's he doing?
He thinks the flower pot's a bunker.
I mean, that's not gonna help.
Now he's in the watering can. Classic.
Whoa, hang on, little guy. Yep, that's one way to go for a walk.
Okay, come on, get in here, stop. Now, come inside. Oh no!
Bruiser? Oh, you have got to be kidding me.
Go potty, buddy. Huh? What is that? Waffles? No. Oh my gosh, waffles? You've got to be kidding.
Better get inside. Uh-oh. Oh, dear. Whoa! I bet it just took him. The tornado stole the monkey.
Hear that wind?
Yeah, it's whipping up out there.
Oh,
Is the tornado taking the dog?
yep, oh my God.
Hold on. Not the raincoat is the sail.